Hey folks, and welcome to week number 6 here. We've got 2 turn-in dates this week, and that, excuse me, is sort of we can get a little bit of work done, get some feedback, and then write and submit our Essay 2 draft, which is really what this is all about, okay? So, stuff that's due on Saturday, February 26th, right? So, watch the video, complete the introduction workshop, and the sample Essay 2 exercise, okay? I was watching the results of our discussion groups, and I didn't feel like they were working as well as I had hoped. So I decided we could kind of pause that, and I wanted to come in here and sort of, as a class, work on these. I want to show you these in just a second, okay? I'm going to kind of walk you through the rest of it, and then we'll come back and talk about those. After you guys do those, I'll come in and give some general feedback to the whole class that I think might give you some ideas about structuring your essay and about writing your introduction, okay? So, getting ready for next week, summarizing and paraphrasing, just a quick video as a reminder, MLA videos, just again as a reminder, and then of course your Essay 2 draft, which is due next Thursday, okay? We'll do peer review the week following. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at these two things here. So, first and foremost, the introduction workshop. What this is, if you click on it, it'll be a Google Doc. It'll ask you to sign in. Okay, so you have got here what this is. What I've done is taken a bunch of introductions from Essay 1. You guys might actually see your introductions here. Everyone's name's been removed and whatnot. I just wanted to kind of give you a bunch of introductions. There's quick explanation of what I need you to do here. First, read through all of them, then identify the one you think is best. Okay, so just then highlight the paragraph and add a comment. So you might highlight it like this. Slow here today. And then just click this add comment button. Write best. Okay. And then, okay, explain why you think it is the best. Okay. One of the things I want to see here is, are we all identifying the same paragraphs as the strongest ones? Okay, these are introductory paragraphs from Essay 1. And then finally, I want you to go through and add comments on at least 3 other introductions, okay? You can identify something you think works really well, something you think didn't work very well, something that you think is weak about it. I want you to just get to some specifics that you thought worked well and didn't work well, okay? Things that stick out as interesting, whatever, okay? So identify the best one and then make comments on 3 of the other introductions. One of the things about Google Docs is tracks everyone who contributes, so I will be able to give everybody a score for their work this week on this. So that's the introduction workshop, again, due on Saturday, okay? So we've got just a couple days for that here. I want to be able to say, and then we're going to do a similar exercise for sample 2. So sample Essay 2 is right here. And that's a PDF as we normally get for essay number 2. However, if we go to the exercise, you'll see the same essay just in Google Doc form. Allows us to comment. So I want you to add comments about what you like about this essay. Add comments in places where you think things didn't work well, things you don't like. And then again, I want you to think about things that seem out of the ordinary compared to the essays you normally write, okay? Things that seem different from the sorts of essays you typically write. So those 3 sorts of comments, I want you to go ahead and add to this Google Doc here, okay? What I'm going to do is you guys are going to add all of these comments on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday I want to come in and take a look at them, and I'm going to record a quick video with some feedback, some things to pay attention to in your own introduction, some things to think about as you're putting your own essays together, because the second half of the week, Monday through Thursday, of course, is going to be you writing the Essay 2 draft. So that's what we've got this week. If you have questions along the way, as always, don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to help you.